So no doubt I need new wipers. I don't. Hey, it's Jason with jamzDOTnet, cars, DIY, and adventures. I'm here with my 2012 Fiat 500C. We bought this brand new, and I just had it in for a recall that I've been putting off for like 5 years. And they said, hey, you need new wipers. Would do for 50 bucks. Yeah, I know I need new wipers, but I'm not gonna pay you 50 bucks when I can buy these for 17 bucks. Stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how to change these in just a few minutes and save yourself a bundle of money on this 2012 Fiat 500C. So no doubt I need new wipers. I don't ever recall putting new ones on this Fiat. Now, we don't drive it much. It kind of just sits in the garage, but a few cool trips during the summer we take it on. So these could be 13-year-old wipers, I don't know. But if you're like me, you don't want to spend 50 bucks, and you could go to the auto store and you could buy some new ones. This is a, I think this one here, yeah, this is 24-inch wiper. And then this is a 14-inch wiper on this side. And you can see, though, just absolutely mangled. But I can go on eBay, and I've been buying a lot of parts lately on eBay. And they're not used parts, so just from distributors, sometimes small town distributors. And I got these for $17. So you can't beat that. So let's make this quick and easy. How do we get this bad boy off? So every vehicle is a little bit different. But on the Fiat, you push this up, you slide that down, and off comes the wiper. This is an LC4. This looks like original equipment. Now, this one's significantly heavier than what I have. And then to put the new one on, it's gonna be a very similar process. You're gonna pop that open. You're gonna put this in. You're gonna slide it that way, and you're gonna pop that down. That's it. So just to give you an up close, these $17 wipers, all I did was I popped that open, you slide it in here, and you pop that down. And then of course you wanna take this protective coating off because you don't want that on. But 50 bucks to do that? I mean, come on, that seems a little steep if you ask me. And let's go do this other side. Okay, basically the same process. Take this tab, flick it up, push the wiper down. The old one will come out, lay that somewhere nice. Take the new one, open up that inside, feed it into that. Bring it nice and tight. Push this down. Take the protective thing off. And you've just put wipers on your car. Specifically your Fiat 500C. You're gonna see me doing a lot of Fiat stuff because when he had it in for the recall, they told me all these things I needed, which I've just been putting off. But I probably would have had them do this until they told me the price. Just like when I put the coolant reservoir on this, a video I just recently published, and they wanted 500 bucks for that. But you can see, it just pops off, it slides in, and you pop that down. Easy peasy. Even if you've never did anything on a car before, you can do your wipers. All right, let's give this a test. See how it goes. All right, some AC feels good. Look at that, nice clean wipe. Maybe I'll get 13 years out of these, who knows? But it does exactly what you would expect. No issues at all. You can do this. This is not difficult. Save yourself a bundle of money. I just saved myself like 35 bucks doing it myself.